Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling your platform's capture feature and confirming resolution and frame rate. Open Settings, toggle background recording, and set clips to 1080p at 60 or preferred quality. Once done, make sure you have storage-ready external SSD or cloud saves prevent dropped footage. You'll also pick a capture length and hotkey now so you can grab moments on the fly. This immediate setup saves time when action happens and ensures your raw footage matches your edit goals. You record using instant replay, hotkeys, or dedicated capture commands in-game. Hit the key when the moment happens. Once recorded, open the capture gallery and trim start and end to remove dead time, because tighter clips speed up editing. Then export or copy files to a project folder on your drive. Name each clip with map and timestamp to stay organized. If using a capture card, route to OBS and record high bitrate files, then move them into the same folder for consistency. You import clips into your editor and create proxies if playback stutters. Proxies keep editing smooth while preserving original high-quality files. Once imported, sync separate game audio and voiceover tracks, then organize clips into bins for the edit. Export a short test render to confirm codecs and color. If clips are missing, check auto-delete, available storage, and whether background recording was off, adjust settings, and recover any cloud-saved highlights. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.